Today we're showing you how we added some character to our master bedroom by using board and batten. Stick with us. Hi and welcome to the Handyverse, where we approach home ownership mindfully, turning to DIY as a first resort when our knowledge and skills allow it. And today we are in our new house in the master bedroom, and we are going to put some trim up on the wall in behind me here. Suzanne told me the name of what this is that we're doing, but I already forget it. I'll put it up on the screen. But really what we're doing is we're putting trim on a pattern, on the wall in behind me, and we're painting it and to give it more of a farmhouse look in the bedroom. So we're going to show you how we do it. This is the trim we're going to be using. We picked it up at Home Depot. We got it on sale, but it is a 1/2 inch thick by 4 by 3.5 inch by lumber standards. But so yeah, 1/2 inch thick by 3.5 inches wide, and we got 8-foot lengths here, and we just need to figure out what we're going to do to put it on. I'm going to peel this sticker off first, so we're not gluing that to the wall, but what do we got here? I do have good old reliable PL Premium. I'm going to put a bead of that on the back and then use the nail gun to put it up on the wall. I'm going to start out at the top. I'm going to run a piece right along the whole length of the ceiling there. And then go from there, and I have to figure out the lengths that I need as we go, because I don't have it all planned out. But that's the first step. Putting a piece of trim across the whole length at the top. So far so good. I just tacked that up with PL Premium and the nail gun. I wasn't too concerned about getting into the studs. I tried, but if I didn't, that's okay, because I have the PL Premium there. So really I'm just trying to hold it up until that sets. Over here we run into our first problem though when we start to come down, and that's this piece of trim actually is too close to the wall. I'm not going to be able to get in behind that, so I'm going to have to cut that off. I will grab the oscillating tool to do that. And then I can figure out what I want for my first set of verticals, and I'll put those up. So we went back and forth on this, but we decided we are going to put a piece along the bottom on top of the baseboard. So given that, we want to make sure that our cross pieces avoid the plugs, but up here we want to make sure that our cross pieces avoid this here top. So we're going to do 16 inches in between, which would give us enough clearance on this side, and then also down below, 16-inch spacers keeps us above the outlets. So I'm gonna cut a bunch of those now. I can cut them for all on the bottom here and all on the top. So I'm just gonna cut a bunch of 16-inch pieces. And over here, I'm just gonna put it in the corner because our vertical piece is gonna end up somewhere here above the door. I'm not exactly sure where yet, but I will need one piece here, and then horizontal will come across. So yeah, cut a bunch of 16-inch pieces. So I cut all those risers, the verticals. I got 11 of them cut to 16 inches, and I also cut this longer piece here. It's just shy of 32 inches. I'm gonna use that as a marker in between these to make sure that I keep them all consistent and it's the right spacing in between them all. The next thing to do is I'm going to put the strip along the bottom, all along the baseboard. I'm actually going to attach that now, and then I can put the verticals along the top and along this part on the bottom. That's the next step. And because nothing ever goes smoothly, I ran out of brad nails. So I had to postpone until the next day, and here we are, we're back at it again. I'm gonna put this strip across here and keep going. So the trim is all up. It went up pretty well, I think. I just need to fill the nail holes now and fill in these seams, and then do caulking all along the edges to blend it in with the wall, and then we gotta drop a coat of paint on it. So Suzanne has filled these cracks, put nail filler in, and we just need to wait for this to dry, and then we're going to sand it, even it out, and then we're going to do all the caulking. Then, once that dries, it should be ready to paint. Once you have all the caulking done, the nail holes filled, and the painting done, that is pretty much it for this project. And really, it's one that you can pull off in a weekend. Very simple, but it does. We feel it adds a lot of character, and we're happy that we did it. So if you like this video, hit like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.